Riverside Real Estate Professionals is bringing you a brief video on the Hidden Valley Wildlife Area Nature Center off Arlington Avenue between Riverside and Norco. This is an equestrian-friendly facility with parking for your trucks and horse trailers. It has many things for the kids to do. They can ride their horses to the park. They can learn about activities that were going on at the turn of the century and why the Santa Ana River watershed is so important to Riverside City. There are many events from running to walking, hiking, mountain biking, and horseback riding. Or you can just relax at the neighborhood parks scattered throughout the development. I personally like riding the mountain bike on the hill.
Jerry from Riverside Real Estate Professionals. Today I'm at the Hidden Valley Nature Center on the western side of Riverside City. The great thing about this park is there are places for you to ride up on horses, riding trails along the river, places to rest and relax and picnic, and it only costs $5 to park your car per day. This property is right on the Santa Ana River on the west side of takes you all the way into Colton and San Bernardino. It's a safe park, lots of things to do, especially for the kids. Hidden Valley Nature Center. Hope to see you soon.